Hello and welcome to History in a Hair's Breadth, where I, Haya, try to go through a moment in history or literature before this little girl, Poppyssed Bun, finishes a treat. Today we're doing something a little bit different. So first of all, we're joined by Pumpernickel Bun here, and these two bunnos are going to be eating dandelions. Exciting. And two, there's this incredible song that I've been listening to basically on repeat by Julian Moon called Pomegranate Seeds. And it goes through the story of Persephone, except it changes some things, but it includes way more of her story than I've seen in almost any other adaptation. So I was really excited about it. So today we're going to go through, thank you for the kisses, Bumper. Today we're going to go through the story of Persephone with Moon's beautiful song as an aid, but I'll also be adding and tweaking some details. And these two will be eating flowers. Enjoy!
Drag me down, devil, he dragged me down. Pomegranate seeds and a flower crown, devil, he dragged me down. Mama's been looking for me, yeah. Mama's been looking for me. Stone cold summer, dead of spring. Mama's been looking for me. He said, will you be mine? I said, no, sir. I begged, let me go, and he said, no, man. I get what I want one way or the other, alone your heart and soul, my lover, 6 feet under. Devil, bargain with me, yeah. Devil, won't you bargain with me? 'Cause I miss the sun and meadows green. Devil, won't you bargain with me? Flowers that grow no more. If you love